Hi everyone, Scott and Amber here. Welcome back to Season 2 of What the Venture. In our last season, you came with us as we flew to Kelowna, BC to pick up our 1979 Volkswagen Westfalia that we named Wilbur. After picking up our new wheels, we drove back to Ontario, but not before we did some well-deserved sightseeing. Today is the day that we start our very first van conversion. We are excited to bring you guys along for the venture, and we hope you enjoy the ride. Oh my God, Scott! So as we were putting the sticker on to fill in the little crack, the windshield broke even more.
Now we wait 20 minutes.
Alright, well, we're going to get your recommendations up on our Instagram page if you are somebody who you were going for anyway. But do some digging and discover some...
I pushed a little too hard and I created some cracks. The original crack is right about here. And there's some spider cracks that go out. There's 4 of them. And yeah, I kind of pushed a little too hard and it cracked, so that one's on me. We're gonna see if the resin still works, to see if it still repairs. And yeah, hopefully everything's all good, otherwise we're gonna need to get a new windshield.
Yay!
Yeah, so we'll keep going, there's still plenty of things to do. Just gotta keep rolling and keep the repairs coming.
So the fiberglass roofing to this has a lot of spots. As you can see, the light's shining through most of them. Those need to be fixed in order for us to make sure that we don't have water damage when we put up all the aesthetic pieces, such as like the cedar that's going on the roof. Scott's just cutting the fiberglass pieces. We mix the resin together and then we paste it to the wall essentially after like sanding and cleaning it. So, first step to getting this bus done. Here we go. Started working on our countertop, which is actually a table that we had. So we're trying to repurpose a lot of things so that this build doesn't really cost us that much, hopefully, besides the panels for the rest. But yeah, so we're refurbishing this table and it will be a lovely, I don't even know the color yet. I haven't decided, but might as well get started on the sanding, right?
I just finished with the fiberglass. Used up all the resin in the kit that we got. We do need a little bit more still, but I'll show you what we got done. Up in the back here, got that corner done. Just 2 pieces on that. Same thing in the opposite corner. We got that one done. There's a little seam up here. I've got this side and this side done. I still need to do the middle portion there, but it's only small, so that's okay. Right here, there's a spot. I got 2 layers on that one. I got a nice layer on this little guy right here. That'll come together, and there's just one more spot above the cab over here, I don't know if you can see it. Here, let me right up there, that little spot there. I'm gonna get the fiberglass on that guy, and it'll be good to go. Woo!
Woo!
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning. Sorry we didn't sign off yesterday. We were exhausted after a hard day's work. So we went straight to bed, but we're ready to get this day started. So today we are cutting out the cargo floor to see what's underneath. Hopefully it's not more rust. All right, let's get this day started. Hi everybody.
Hey, we're out on a walk with Charles. We finished up the grinding for today. We cut out a big section of the floor. We got about halfway through the next section, then the cutter wheel ran out, so we had to switch that over, and by the time that was all done, sun started going down. Still a little bit of light, but we like to take a little walk with Charlie here. We like to end our days with a walk.
So tomorrow's another big day, and we will see you in the morning. Thanks for tuning into our new season. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell so you receive notifications for when we upload our videos Wednesday and Sunday. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video and would like to support us, go to whattheventure.ca. Here you will find our custom van life inspired designs available for purchase. Remember, ventures belong to the adventurous.